The 2021 Toyota RAV4 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 battery. Ensure you are in a static-free environment to prevent damaging the electronics. Insert the pry tool into the seam along the key fob's edge, usually near the keyring hole, and gently pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to force it, as the case snaps together and has a rubber gasket for waterproofing. Once open, locate the CR2032 battery, held by a metal clip or adhesive. Use the screwdriver to carefully lift the battery out, noting the positive plus side. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to check the LED and functions. Finally, snap the case back together firmly, ensuring no gaps to maintain waterproofing. When troubleshooting your RAV4 key fob, be aware that mishandling can cause water damage or harm the internal circuit board. If the fob stops working after battery replacement, it might need reprogramming at a Toyota dealer. Always use a non-metallic tool to avoid electrostatic discharge damage. If the battery fails quickly, check for manufacturing defects. To extend battery life, avoid heavy use of remote start. If you live in a humid climate, consider using dielectric grease on the battery contacts to prevent corrosion. Remember to recycle the old CR2032 battery to reduce e-waste. DIY replacement saves $20–50 compared to dealership service. By following these steps and tips, you can easily maintain your 2021 RAV4 key fob.